Myself, Dr. Kabib Srivastav. I am a public health expert. I represent Heal Foundation, a healthcare advocacy group in India. And today's objective is I wanted to introduce to you a very unique program called Heal Dai Samvad. You can even call it Healthy Samvad or Heal Dai Samvad, which is being introduced by us, brought to on our platform by Heal Foundation in association with an international public health program, ICCIDD.
बात के लिए मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद देता हूँ हिल फाउंडेशन की टीम में. द स्पीकर्स दैट यू ब्रॉट आर वो तारे आसमान से जमीन पे ले आए आप तारे, सारे सितारे थे. एक्सेलेंट पैनल ऑफ स्पीकर्स, एक्सेलेंट, बेस्ट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ. माय कंक्लूडिंग मैसेज वुड बी नंबर 1 that the entire world is your family, as our ancient scriptures have said, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Why? Because this virus does not discriminate between any color, caste, creed, country, age or gender. हम सब एक लोग हैं, एक कुटुंब है हमारा. So we have to face this pandemic with a human face, expressing sympathy, empathy and compassion.
संकट काल में, पैंडेमिक के इस काल में कि जब पूरी धरती पर भय, असुरक्षा और एक प्रकार का अवसाद है, ऐसे काल में आपने एक संवाद का अवसर दिया है. हमारे शास्त्र कहते हैं कि वादे वादे जायते तत्वबोध. जब कभी व्यथा हो, अवसाद हो, चिंता हो, अल्पता और विशेषकर कोई रोग हो या मानसिक क्लेश हो या किसी भी प्रकार की मनुष्य के सामने चुनौती हो, तो वो संवाद करें.
So they work for about 14 days over there. Then they are rotated. Then another team comes for 14 days. The first team goes into quarantine for 14 days so that they recover and they are pretty okay. They take the sampling, everybody's okay. And then they come back after 14 days. So the rotation continues in every district, in every isolation hospital, in every quarantine facility. So there's no direct load continuously on everybody. And once, if they do, I mean, there are cases they've got infected, like in King George Medical University, there was a doctor who got infected, there was a nurse who got infected there. Now the place where she stays in Lucknow, that entire area of 2 kilometers had to be contained and sanitized and sampled and everything.
Sometimes it can be a relief also that you don't have to get up and wear your best clothes and be out and about. That can also be relaxing for the first couple of days where you can just be. But after some time, I do feel when such an extended lockdown happens, in order for you to feel a little boost of your own self-esteem, for you to do something in the day, there's nothing wrong in wearing clothes that you would go out in, putting on a little makeup, doing your hair.
HEAL Foundation has been doing considerable work. It's about 10 years old now, and we have been organizing a lot of health writers workshop, and main focus is on training health writers to report accurately on health issues and current health issues, and not be carried away by sensationalizing things as many of the media would do, especially after the onset.